Want to fix the NFL Sunday Ticket app not loading? In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is restart the app. For that, exit out of the Sunday Ticket application, then open App Switcher and swipe Sunday Ticket off of your screen. After that, launch open the Sunday Ticket app and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is open up your settings, then tap on Apps. Now find Sunday Ticket and tap on that. Then tap on the Force Stop option. Now tap on OK. Once that is done, tap on the Storage option. Tap on Clear Cache. Now launch open the application and check if your problem is fixed. You also want to make sure you're using the latest version of the app. For that, launch open Play Store, search for Sunday Ticket and see if there is an update option. If there is, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. If you're using VPN or ad blocker, you want to turn it off. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.